Doing business in Mexico is a great decision. However, it's challenging unless you have the perfect partner. The relocation process alone can exhaust your time and resources, which doesn't even consider the time it takes to learn how to do business in a foreign country. How do you reduce costs while maintaining your quality standards in a safe and controlled environment? Where do you find a reliable partner committed to your project as an extension of your own company? Meet Fargos Industrial, a partner with over 20 years of experience running processes for leading automotive suppliers of OEMs and T1 in Mexico. Just think, cutting, tooling, and sub-assembly, performed on your terms and conditions, with professional support, no worries, and on time the way you demand. Our platform simplifies your operation while maintaining an outstanding level of service at a cost that will work with your budget. Importation, production, warehousing, sequencing, and premium customer service are all part of the package. You pay one monthly fee, and we handle the rest. We provide you with all the moving parts, including staffing, administration, invoicing, customer service, and even ISO certifications. Working with Fargos allows you to increase your business productivity in Mexico while ensuring you are ready to maintain supplies to your current and new customers. Contact one of our professionals and relocate your process to Fargos Industrial, Mexico's most reliable production option.